The take. Put the steak in boiling water. This tip I learned at a 5-star steakhouse. Start by putting a liter of boiling water in the pan, then add 4 whole cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of rosemary, a teaspoon of dried parsley, and a teaspoon of salt. Once it's boiling, I'm going to put a 300-gram steak in here, let it cook for 10 minutes, and then we'll take the steak out of the pan and dry it off. I'm using paper towels to dry the meat. Once the meat is dry, season it with salt to taste and black pepper to taste. You can adjust the seasoning however you like. Season on both sides. And once you've done that, pour some olive oil into a frying pan and fry your steak. Look how quickly it browns, and once it's browned, we can cut it up and serve it. Look how delicious it is. This steak is perfect. In just a few minutes, you have delicious meat. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.